In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. This is a crucial feature for your email campaigns, ensuring compliance with email marketing best practices, and providing your audience with the freedom to opt out if they choose. Now let's dive into the process and make sure your emails are both respectful and compliant. First, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab found in the main menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down. From here, select all campaigns to bring up a list of email campaigns you've created. Next, you'll need to choose an existing campaign from this list. It could be any email you've previously set up, and you'll spot an edit option beside the campaign name on the right-hand side. Click that edit option to get started with making your changes. This will bring us to the campaign menu, where we can tweak various elements of your email. Now we're looking for the content section. In this area, locate the Edit Design button and click on it. This step prepares you to modify the email layout and content itself. As you enter the email design editor, examine the email structure and decide which section is ideal for adding your unsubscribe link. Once you've identified the appropriate section, go ahead and highlight the text that you want your users to click on to unsubscribe. A common choice is to use something like "click here to unsubscribe." This text will become the clickable link that leads users to the unsubscribe page. After highlighting your preferred text, move your attention to the toolbar above. You'll see an icon that resembles a chain link. This is the link icon. Click on it to initiate the process of inserting your hyperlink. In the window that appears, you'll need to specify that the type of link you're adding is a web address. Then in the URL field, enter the unique Mailchimp placeholder code, unsublay. This placeholder will automatically direct recipients to the unsubscribe page when they click the link. Once you've entered the placeholder URL, find and click the Insert button to apply the link to your highlighted text. After successfully applying the link, don't forget to save and close your changes, ensuring that your new unsubscribe link is preserved. And that's it. You've just added an unsubscribe link to your Mailchimp email campaign, ensuring compliance and maintaining a professional rapport with your audience. Remember, offering an easy way to unsubscribe is key to maintaining trust with your subscribers and adhering to email marketing regulations. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.